Today we're going to learn how to start a car that has a bad starter, one in which the brushes are worn out, so that hitting it with something will cause the brushes to engage. First thing you want to do is turn the ignition on to the run position. And put it in neutral with the e-brake on, or park if it's an automatic. So now in the engine bay, take something metal and connect these two posts. If your starter is good, connecting these posts will cause the starter to turn over. That's your starter solenoid. And with your left hand, reach with something somewhat long and somewhat hard and just kind of knock on the starter. It'll be those two cylinders, and together the effect is your car should start.